Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by revealing the invisible. Turn on Show/Hide so you can see paragraph and breaks. Once visible, open the navigation pane and jump straight to the blank page to confirm its cause. If you see a paragraph mark, page break, or a tiny table at the end, you're ready to act. Do not scroll aimlessly. Click into that page and observe what kind of hidden object is creating the empty space, because how you remove it depends on what you find. Once done locating the cause, delete manual page breaks or empty paragraph marks with backspace or delete, short presses deliberate. If a trailing table forces a page, shrink its font to 1 pt, change table wrap, or adjust cell spacing so it fits the previous page. For section breaks, click the visible section break marker and delete it, but be careful. Removing certain section breaks can change headers, footers, or page orientation. Make sure to check Finish by validating your work. Use Print Preview or the navigation pane to ensure the blank page is gone across layouts. Save the document or export to PDF and reopen the file to lock in the layout changes. This prevents view-only artifacts. If the page persists, this usually means a locked section break or a next page section. Switch that break to continuous or remove it carefully because headers and footers may shift. If something goes wrong, use Undo and restore the previous section settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.